Today I decided to go into Bravo Supermarket, do my regular food shopping, and I always hit this section, the laundry detergent section. I didn't know they had a Zoe liquid laundry detergent. I didn't buy it at this time, but I will be getting it soon to review. I see they have it in the white and they have it in the pink. Um, this store, like all the rest of them, some of the bottles are getting smaller, but they did have some regular size bottles, and I was happy about that. Also, their Tide powder in the big package has gotten a lot smaller. You're paying the same price, but it's gotten a lot smaller. They have the Ariel. Some of the packages used to be like 60 or 70 cents, and now they went up a little bit, but it still is not outrageous. So more than likely, I will continue to buy my laundry detergent here. It's a good place to stock up on your laundry detergent. Okay, while all the other stores are overcharging,